Eakin's Garage here. We're debuting a 1971 Chevrolet pickup truck. It's a half-ton four-wheel drive. This build is a little special to me. This truck's been in the family its whole life. The owner bought it new in '71 in Montana and gave it to his daughter. She restored it in his memory. This is the first time we've had it at a show. Let's take a look at it. Here we have on the truck is a Hydro Boost braking system from Hydrotech, and we also have the Willwood brake master cylinder that controls the braking performance on this truck. They stop excellent. Here we have the Holley accessory drive engine kit. They work great for LS engines. So here we have the 430 horsepower GM Performance LS3, all aluminum with the 4L65E transmission. Hand-built intake system, K&N air filter, Griffin all aluminum radiator assembly here. They work flawlessly. They're a great setup for these old trucks. So moving on to the inside of this truck, we have a restored back to factory look. We went with the blue leather seat and the rubber matting on the floor. Kind of resembles exactly how it was when it left the factory. On this truck, customer wanted it back factory blue and white, and we had the colors matched professionally. And then I applied the paint myself. I tried to paint all of our cars at Eakin's Garage and turned out amazing. And we topped it off with a House of Colors Show Coat Clear Coat. Here we have on this truck is an American Racing 17-inch aluminum wheel the owner picked out. Fits this truck perfectly. We went with the BFG all-terrain tires, of course with the white letters out to match the white top on the truck. We went with the 4-inch lift kit on this. It's the Rough Country leaf spring suspension lift kit. Turned out perfect. Yeah, so that's the truck. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and many more videos to come. It's the 4-wheel drive Connect and Cruise package.